Alright guys, that battery there is dead, and it's really small compared to this one. So I got car hooked up to it. Jump it, save your start. There she goes. So my battery is just too small. That's the issue. It's a lawn and garden battery. It's never designed to turn over a 3-cylinder diesel engine. So that's the problem. Yep, that's 650 cold crank amps right there. Let's see what this one is. 340. Ah, no wonder. Yeah. Let it warm up, charge the battery. Alright guys, this tractor will be getting a new battery before the next cold start. So, because it's going to get a little colder than 30 degrees, 29, 30 degrees here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See everybody later.